Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how to change your PC or laptop's desktop wallpaper. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to change your desktop wallpaper, it's actually pretty easy. So for the first step, I want you to go to your Windows search bar. And then search Settings. After searching, go and open your settings. Once you're on Settings, next, go to Personalization. And here in Personalization you will now be able to see the background option, which is where you can change your desktop's background wallpaper, so just go and click it. And then after that, you can now change your wallpaper by either choosing a pre-installed wallpaper right here, or you can also use an image that you've saved in your device as a wallpaper. To do that, just click Browse Photos. And after that, your File Explorer will appear, so just go to the location of the image that you want to turn into your wallpaper. And once you've found your image, just select it, and then click Choose Picture. And then after that, it's done. Your desktop wallpaper will now be changed into the one you selected. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.